Hello everyone, this is Chandradeep Anand, and in this video I am going to discuss about how we can take input in Java. So let's get started. So the first way that we can take input is console, second is scanner, and third is buffer reader. Now there are three types, or we can say there are three ways to take input from the user in Java, and these are console, scanner, and buffer reader. So first, console. First, we need to know that in which package console belongs. Console belongs to java.io package. So if we want to use console, then we need to include this package. So import java.io.console. Second, how we can declare console. For that, console object name equal to system.console. In this way, we can create instance of console class. Now to take input with the help of this object, we use read line. So suppose we want to read some integer value from the user, then we will use con.readline. And suppose we want to use string value, or we want to take string value from the user, then also we will use con.readline. For example, as you can see, import java.io.console. Let me tell you, this program will take a city name from the user and we will display that city. So for that we are using console, so we are importing java.io.console, and in this console class we have imported this console class in our program. For that we create a class called city. Within that class we have main method. This is the basic structure that you know. Now let's get into how we can create instance. As we know earlier that console con equal to system.console, the object or instance is created. Now we are asking user to enter your city. System.out.println, enter your city, and we are reading the value that is given by the user, con.readline, and we are simply printing the value. So what will be the output? The output will be, suppose enter your city, user have given Boston, so the answer will be your city is Boston. Now scanner, same. At first we need to know in which package scanner belongs. So first, scanner belongs to util, java.util package. So if you want to use a scanner in our program, then we need to include this package. Second, declaration. Declaration scanner, how we can declare scanner, or we can create instance of scanner. So scanner object name equal to new scanner system.in. Now to take input with the help of this instance, there are different ways. Suppose we want to take some integer value from the user, then with the help of this instance, we will write scan.next for string, scan.nextInt for integer value, scan.nextFloat for floating value. So suppose we are looking for the name of the user, then we will use scan.next, and we want to take phone number of the user, then we will use scan.nextInt. So it is the same example as we have seen in previous console example. So in this example also we are dealing with the scanner, so we are importing package import java.util scanner. Same as city main method, within that main method we are creating instance of scanner. Same, asking for user to give his or her city name, and we are scanning. As city name is a string, so we are using scan.next, and we are simply printing that value. So the output will be same, enter your city. Suppose user has given Boston, then the city is Boston. Now buffer reader. Buffer reader is a special type where we take input from the user. Now in buffer reader there is a exception. Okay, I will do later. First, let's know that in which package this buffer reader belongs. This buffer reader belongs to IO package. So if you want to use buffer reader in our program, then we need to include this value, this package, import java.io. how to declare a buffer reader or how to create instance of buffer reader class. So the syntax is buffer reader object name equal to new buffer reader, new input stream reader, system.in. This is the syntax through which we can create instance of buffer reader class. Input br.readline. So if we want to take integer, string, float value, anything, we need to use instance name dot readline, same as console. Example, import java.io buffer reader, because we are using buffer reader in our program, so we need to import that value. Import java.io buffer reader class city public static void main method, and within that main method see that there is a try catch block. Why I have used that, I will tell you, I will explain you later. First, try to understand that how we have created instance buffer reader br equal to new buffer reader, new input stream reader, system.in. And after that, we are asking user to give input br.readline system out.println. It will print simply the value that is given from the user. Now, what will be the output? Output will be same. Enter your city. Suppose user have given Boston, then the city will be Boston. Your city is Boston. Now, why I have used this try catch block? Because buffer reader, while creating the instance of buffer reader, if the file or the text file that from where it stored, if it is not present, then it will throw an exception. So to handle that exception, we need to use try catch block. So that's it. This is all from me. If you like this video, then give a thumbs up, and hope I'll see you in my next video.